The Sun is the epicenter of our universe, and the most important star in the sky to us. This great ball of fire is actually 99.8% the mass of the Solar System. Without the Sun we could not have life on Earth, and everything would cease to exist in the way it does now. So what exactly is the Sun, how does it remain in the sky, and what else have we yet to find out about this fire-laden orb of energy? Well, here are some of the top facts we can guarantee you never knew about the Sun. It's ridiculously big. We know the Sun is huge and vast, but do you have any idea just how big it is? You probably didn't know that it measures 860,000 miles in diameter, and it would be possible to fit the Earth 1.3 million times inside it. The Sun is 4.5 billion years old, and it is estimated that she will last another 6 billion or so years. And when the Sun finally does reach its climactic end, it will grow into a red giant, completely obliterating the Earth on its way to becoming a white dwarf. Its temperature is weird. If we were to ask you the temperature of the Sun, you'd probably say, hot, and you wouldn't be wrong. But the actual temperature of the Sun, and the way that temperature varies and fluctuates is actually quite puzzling. In fact, it is estimated that the Sun's core reaches temperatures beyond even our comprehension, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit to be precise. However, the weird part is that the surface is only around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But then, stranger still, the higher part of the Sun's halo, or corona, climbs again to around 3,500,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists have no explanation as to why this is, and it remains one of the great mysteries of the Sun. The Sun has an atmosphere. Believe it or not, the Sun actually has an atmosphere, and the Earth is inside of it. You might recall having seen an eclipse, or footage of an eclipse, and noting a white, shimmering ring around the Sun when it's blacked out. This halo is actually a part of the Sun's atmosphere that you're seeing, and it reaches farther than you would think. In fact, the atmosphere of the Sun actually reaches as far as Jupiter, making the Earth fall comfortably inside of it. Star type. Technically speaking, the Sun is a G-type main sequence star, G2V. The G is the designation for our Sun's spectral class, meaning the Sun's color is somewhere from white to yellow and the approximate surface temperature is anywhere from 5,000 to 6,000 K. The 2 is from a scale of GOV to G9V, and it indicates mass, surface gravity, and the color index. Finally, the V refers to it being a main sequence star, a dwarf star. Our Sun is commonly known as a yellow dwarf star. Sun revolves around Milky Way. The Earth orbits the Sun, as you know, taking roughly 1 year for a complete orbit. However, the Sun also moves around, as well. Since the Sun is far from the center of the Milky Way, the Sun takes around 230 million years to make a complete orbit around our galaxy. This translates to an effective speed of the Sun being about 136.7 miles, or 220 kilometers per second. The Sun is pretty amazing, and the more we discover about it, the more we can use its awesome power to our advantage. There are so many things we have yet to discover about the Sun, and the hope is that we will discover much more in the future. We hope that with these amazing facts you can count yourself as more informed about the Sun now.